Cheryl Anyayahan again here from Saladmaster in Perth. And today I have a very special guest to cook a very special dish for us. And of course, we want to feature our latest limited edition cookware, the 12-quart roaster of Saladmaster. And what's special about this, of course, it's a commemorative cookware for the 75 years anniversary of Saladmaster. And so, without further ado, let me introduce to you a very special person who will cook a very special dish, his specialty. So when we have visitors coming over, he always cooks this, and everyone loves this. So it's, of course, my very good husband, Mr. Anyayahan.
Hi, hello.
Alright, what are we going to cook today?
Good stew.
Goat stew, or in Filipino,
Kalderetang Kambing.
Kalderetang Kambing. So we wash it first, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then what's the next step?
Soak some vinegar.
Okay.
Some vinegar
So-
to reduce the.
Bad smell?
Yep.
Okay. So what are you going to do? You just want to pour it there and strain, is
Yep.
it? Okay.
The bowl.
So we have 3 kilos of goat pieces, which
Yep.
we washed and he drained properly, and now it's time to put the white vinegar. So this is good, especially if you have big occasions. Lots of people are coming over. So babe, I'll just put it here.
Yep.
I'll let you do it. I don't know. I just cut the veggies when he's cooking. Okay. Okay, so that's it, not much.
Yep.
And then for how long?
No, just soak it.
Okay. This is his expertise, and it took me a while to convince him to do these videos. Okay, so after putting the vinegar and then draining it and then washing it with water, and we're now draining it, so it has to be a bit dry. So while waiting for that to be drained, what do we need to do next?
Cut the onion.
How many onions?
4.
So we have these 4 big onions, and of course we will be using our Saladmaster machine. And for this, he wants me to use cone number 3. Okay, now what are we doing, Mr.
Put some
Anyayahan?
soy sauce.
Let's show them what you're doing. So we're adding, of course, we're Filipino, so we're using a Filipino soy sauce. And you added it to the onion. So this is the onion that we cut. You reserve some. So this just 3 big onions, and the other one is later during cooking. Okay, now it's time to marinate our goat meat. And the first thing we did was to put the onion there, and of course the soy sauce, about a cup. And then he's adding the tomato sauce. Okay, 200 grams of the Del Monte tomato sauce. And because he wants it to be a bit sour and a bit sweet, so we're adding this Filipino style tomato sauce as well. How much do you need? Half or okay? It's 1 kilo, so 500 grams of the Filipino style tomato sauce. And now it's time to add some chili for some spiciness. How many chilies?
3.
3. Okay, after marinating the meat, how long did we marinate? Normally, how long do you marinate the meat?
2 hours.
2 hours or overnight if possible?
No, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now let's heat up. We heated up the 12-quart roaster. And what are you doing? Butter.
Butter.
About
Put some butter.
2 tablespoons of butter. It's already heated up. Of course, medium heat. And this is very good because of the size, very big. And now it's time to, what are you gonna do?
Some garlic.
Garlic. About how many? 5, 6 cloves?
Yep. Onion.
Okay, only half.
Yep.
Half of the remaining onion.
And then next,
Time to put the goat marinade. Wow, so this is about 3 kilos of goat meat. Okay, then mix. Okay, now cover. I'll put it on medium heat. Let's add the remaining onions. Okay, now it's clicking. Time to open and stir quickly. Smells so nice. Yum. Okay, so what's happening here? So we've been cooking for about what, 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depending on how soft the goat is. So we want it to be really soft. 1.5 hours is okay. What are you gonna do?
To mix the liver spread.
Liver spread and
Peanut butter.
nut butter and liver spread. Okay. So 3 kilos. He wants to put 6 liver spreads of this size. This is his style. So, and then once we put this too, how long should we cook it further?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's done. Now it's time to put the peanut butter. Everything we're using is Filipino brand because we're Filipinos. So how much are you going to put?
Half.
Half of that?
Yep.
Okay. So this goat stew will be a combination of sweet and then sour a bit and then the spiciness. After 15 minutes, let's see what it looks like. And there you go. Yummy, it's very creamy. And now this is the best part. Just a little bit, please. I want to taste. Okay, let's see. Yum. At this stage, the meat is so soft and then so creamy. So it's very nice. What is? And of course, the limited edition 12-quart roaster is now available for a limited time. So please, it's a commemorative cookware. It's a very special piece, and so get yours now. In other words, happy cooking. And I hope you can copy what he's done in this. That's his own. That's his own version of Kalderetang Kambing or goat stew in English. Thank you so much, babe.
Welcome.
And next time again, another dish from him. Bye!